Right, let's do 4b. The following information is given for a function f. F of 4 is equal to 5. You have to check what's the meaning of this. And then f prime 4, it means that if you substitute 4 into the derivative of f of x, you get 7. What is the meaning of this? So it says, determine the equation of the tangent to f at x is equal to 4 in the form y is equal to mx plus c. Let's go back to the information. So it means here, when x is 4, y is 5. So this point is a point on the function. It's a point on the graph. 1. Then 2, we have this. It means if you substitute 4 into the derivative, you get 7. It means at this point where x is 4, the gradient of the graph is 7. And then now says determine the equation of the tangent of f to f at x is equal to 4. So at x is equal to 4, the gradient of the tangent and the gradient of the graph are equal. Remember, at the point of contact, the gradient of the curve and the gradient of the tangent are equal. So meaning that at x is equal to 4, the gradient is 7. So we have the gradient of the tangent, and then we have the coordinates of the point of contact. So with this we can find out the equation. Y is equal to mx plus c. The gradient is 7 when x is equal to 4. So y is equal to 7x plus c. Now we're going to use the coordinates of the point. Where there's y we put 5, where there's x we put 7. So 5 is equal to 7 times 4, then plus c. So 5 is equal to 28 plus c. Then 5 minus 28, that is negative 23, is equal to c. Therefore, y is equal to 7x minus 23. That's the equation. Right? You can also use this one. Say y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Right? These are the coordinates here of the point. This is the gradient. So y minus y is 5. So we put 5 there. X is 4. And then m is 7. 7. And with x minus 4 like that. Right? And then y minus 5 is equal to 7x minus 28. Right? Then y is equal to 7x. Negative 28 plus 5 is negative 23. Done. Okay.